Justin Bieber.
And
A present.
do you think he's cute?
Yeah.
Do you love him?
Yeah.
Say it out loud.
I love Justin Bieber.
Say,
Make my dreams come true.
smile. Smile. What do you say to him every day? What do you say about him every day?
Say pretty?
You say he's beautiful, don't you?
Yeah. And pretty?
What else?
Cute?
What else do you like about Justin Bieber?
I always share him with my bed.
Huh?
I always share him with my bed.
You share him with your bed?
Yeah. But he's too big.
He's too big?
Yeah. He will ruin my bed.
Is your bed too little?
Yeah. Too little.
Say, I love you, Justin Bieber.
I love you, Justin Bieber.
Say bye.
Hi.
Say bye.
Bye.
Smile.